Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. And today it's a sunny day here. As you can see, the sun's so bright and it's I think it's 11 a.m. in the morning, so it's almost lunchtime. So I was thinking what to eat for lunch. So I have my eggplants here, so I think we're going to get some eggplant for our lunch. So I have some 5 eggplants here, 5 trays of eggplants. So come on guys, we'll get some eggplants for our lunch. So we already got our eggplant here. So last time we harvest a native eggs to make for our breakfast. And in my last video also we get a meat from our chickens, and now we're having our eggplant for our lunch. So if you have vegetables, chickens and eggs in your farm, if you cannot go outside in the market, or if you don't have any, for us here we don't have a lot of budget now since it's still pandemic, so we're just going to mix our own stock here in our farm, vegetables and chickens and eggs, chicken for meat, vegetables, so now we're going to make this our lunch. Come on guys. Now we're going to prepare our eggplant for our lunch. So first thing, we're going to wash this eggplant. But most of the advice that if you buy vegetables from the market, so expect the product came from the farm, and some of the farm, not all, but some of the farm are using some chemicals or spray fertilizer to make the plant grow more or grow faster. So you really need to wash it thoroughly. But in our farm, we are the one who is planting it, so we know that there's no chemicals or fertilizer that were put in our plants. So this is very safe guys. So let's continue. So after washing the eggplants, so as usual, our favorite on this eggplant is to fry it. That was our favorite. We can also make a torta talong with egg. We can also grill the talong, but this is our favorite, the fried talong. So come on guys. done preparing our lunch, our talong. We call it talong here in Philippines. It's an eggplant. So with the partner of soy sauce with chili. So this is a delicious and healthy breakfast, and this is one of my favorite vegetable, the talong with, of course, it is a fried talong. So that's my favorite dish. So hope you enjoy this video, guys, and hope to see you more in my another vlog. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. So thank you, and God bless us all. Mmm.